With graduation season coming up, I've noticed a lot of friends posting blurry graduation photos online. Usually you have to pay a lot to get a clear version, but don't worry. I'll show you how to get HD versions of your photos right at home by removing the blur with just one click. I obtained a graduation picture. If I scale it up a bit, you can see it's a little pixelated because the original image was relatively small. It's not a great photo, so we're going to upscale it and improve its quality and resolution. First, let's explore Canva, the top-rated free online AI photo editor platform. I've put the links in the description section and comment section below. All we need to do is click on the enhancer. It allows us to increase the size and quality of an image, which is exactly what we need. I've uploaded the photos and can just select the files used for presents. Open it, then check Enhance Face if you're working on a portrait. If it's something else, like a landscape, you probably don't need this option. In this case, I'll click on it and enhance the image. This process takes a few seconds and isn't perfect. You might notice some smoothing in certain areas, but it does a really good job overall. We can also go from this unusable photo to a much better one with HitPaw Online Photo Enhancer. If you're not familiar, HitPaw Online is a site with a collection of tools similar to apps that you can use. We've likewise put the links in the description area and in the comment section, so you guys can click and try to remove the blur from your graduation photos. Click on purple Start Free Now button. Then I'm going to click and drag to upload the blurry photo. While it's loading, take a few seconds to hit the subscribe and like buttons. Wow, it seems to be doing a pretty good job. Let's zoom in for a closer look. The photo quality is seriously upgraded.